O restaurante foi uma igreja, então ele conserva as características da igreja. E é uma
igreja.
Igreja.
É pub.
É um pub.
Oli.
Bem-vindos a Dublin, a capital da Irlanda. Uma cidade repleta de lembranças de sua emocionante história, com rica cultura em quase todas as esquinas. Mas dessa vez eu volto a Dublin para encontrar a minha amiga irlandesa, Janne Foster.
Oi, tudo bom? Oh, it's great to see you. It's great to see you in Ireland. Welcome Ireland.
E nos encontramos no The Bank, um antigo banco britânico que se tornou um bar-restaurante de estilo vitoriano em 2003. Aqui, pude experimentar um típico café da manhã irlandês ao lado dos heróis da independência irlandesa. E após um café da manhã imersivo na cultura irlandesa, Janne me levou para caminhar pela sua cidade.
Baker Street is a really good music venue. So they have a lot of comedians play there, musicians. It's really small, nice and intimate. It's really good. That's the Liffey, the river that separates the south and the north side of Dublin. So we're in the south side. This is the posh side. Posh. Yeah, where all the money is. That's what they say.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
No dia seguinte, fui ao Dublin Café, onde encontrei com Janne novamente, que me apresentou seus pais, Liam e Barbara. E o vídeo de hoje será um vídeo diferente. Não serei eu quem irá mostrar a cidade para vocês, mas sim os próprios irlandeses. E o pai da Janne, Liam, será o nosso guia pelas ruas de Dublin.
That was damaged.
Where?
12 months ago. So this is a replacement.
Ah, it's not the original.
Not the original. So then his mother, Phil Leonard's mother, unveiled it when it was being put back.
Yes.
She pulled the cord and she made a speech.
Oh my, nice.
Driving all the old damn version. Boys are back in town. Boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. Boys are back in town. Boys are back in town.
It's unusual.
Yeah, there's St. Teresa's Church, but its entrance is actually around the corner here.
The entrance is around,
Yes,
it's not
yes.
here,
Not
but it's
here.
open.
It is open, yeah, but the main entrance is around the other side. Those artists.
Yeah, U2, Tim Lizzy, Sinead O'Connor, Hugh Gallagher.
Yeah. The guy on the right, that's Paul Brady.
Paul Brady?
Yeah. And this guy in the center is Luke Kelly of the Dubliners. The guy in the bottom right is Shane MacGowan. He recorded that Christmas song, Fairy Tale of New York. This area was run down and they redeveloped it into an entertainment complex. So there was restaurants, bars.
Yes.
It became a bohemian, being very accessible because it's right close to the city centre.
Yeah.
And became very popular.
Mojo. E onde o lugar onde o tio tirou aquela foto. This is a halfpenny bridge.
Yeah.
How do you say?
Halfpenny.
Halfpenny.
Halfpenny bridge. In the past, you used to have to pay half a penny to cross the bridge.
Oh yeah.
So we're going from the south side to the north side of Dublin.
This is the River Liffey.
Liffey. Yeah.
The colour is distinctive and it gives the colour to the Guinness.
Yes. Very good.
There was a cinema in this area here back in the 60s called the Adelphi Cinema. The Beatles came to in 1964-65. They came to visit Dublin. And all of this area was completely crowded by teenagers. It was huge.
I'll keep you satisfied. Anything that you want. If there's anything I can do, just call on me and I'll send it along with love from me to you. It's a rocking little record on my jockey to play. Roll over Beethoven, gotta hit it again today.
This is a rock and roll street.
Not regard the Beatles as rock and roll.
No?
No,
It's not
they
a
were
rock and roll?
No, they were more of a pop band. Rock and roll was much earlier than that. Then it developed into the rock music of the Who, Procol Harum, and all of these bands. Whereas the Beatles band?
Not a rock and roll band.
No. Back in 1966, the IRA carried out a bombing, iconic building that was situated right where that spire is. And it was called Nelson's Pillar. Big statue to him on a big pedestal in a plinth. And the IRA came and put a ring of dynamite around it, and blew it up, and it all just fell down into the street. Didn't do any damage or anything to the surrounding buildings, but the remaining piece had to be taken away, so they brought in the Irish Army to carry out a controlled explosion to blow the rest of it up, but they did more damage to the buildings.
The IRA.
The IRA with the, and then for the millennium, they put this millennium spire in place.
Do you like it? No?
It doesn't have any character.
No sense.
No.
There is no sense.
It's just something that's put there. From my mother's family this year in August, and the house that we were in was actually a place where some of the people that were on the run, the people who would have fought during that period, they were sleeping upstairs, hidden away so nobody would see them. And the reason was people supported what they were doing against the British forces, that everybody was involved, helping. That's the Irish national flag.
Yes.
The green represents south, the orange represents the north, and the white is the joining force between the two.
That's very interesting.
The building then directly across from it is the GPO. The General Post Office, and that was the building. The trouble happened in 1916, the uprising.
Uprising, I know the uprising.
After Easter week 1916, that building was occupied and still has the marks of bullets
Oh yes?
on its facade.
Yes, no kidding. The marks of the bullets.
Yes, this is 1916, but Ireland did not become a free country until 1922, and then we became a republic in 1949. But we kicked the British out in 1960.
Nós estamos pro restaurante, foi uma igreja, então conserva as características da igreja. E é uma
Antes a igreja.
Igreja.
Mas agora é pub.
É um pub.
Olha ali. Alice St. Essie, the Irish beers that you have. O'Hara's.
Irish?
Yeah.
Guinness? O'Hara has three. It's a red, pale ale and a stout.
I want this.
Okay.
Because I never taste this.
Okay, yeah, so it's something different. Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
Molly Malone, she represented all aspects of Dublin life. The whole story of Molly Malone represents everything that actually is in Dublin. The song tells us all. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone, as she wheels her wheelbarrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh.
E chegou a hora de experimentar uma instituição da culinária irlandesa, o Fish and Chips, que é bacalhau empanado com batata frita. Um clássico irlandês que fica perfeito se harmonizado com uma Irish Red.
Pint of red.
For me.
Thank you very much.
The fish and chip, right? Yeah. The only place that you will get a good fish and chip is in Macari, original fast food place in Dublin. It was served to the general population, and the general population would get it and take it away. And what they would get would be in a newspaper, because that was the only thing that was available. But it added so much flavor from the print on the newspaper. People loved it. So you will not be served real fish and chips today unless it is in the newspaper.
E assim eu deixo Dublin mais uma vez, me despedindo dos meus amigos irlandeses com seu inspirador amor pela vida, que fazem dessa cidade um incrível lugar para visitar. Dos pubs ao seu passado de luta pela independência ou em suas ruas animadas, Dublin é a capital de uma nação com uma história rica e um espírito irreparável. E se você gostou de visitar Dublin, assim como eu, deixe seu like e inscreva-se no canal. E até o próximo destino. Sláinte!